Hey Caleb, what is one of your favorite activities to do in the fall here?
Probably watching scary movies with my wife.
Hey David, what's one of your favorite fall activities?
My favorite fall activity would be hiking. You know, you can see the nice leaves, the color changes, super nice. So that'd be mine, personal.
Hey Xavier, what's one of your favorite fall activities?
One of my favorite fall activities would be football. I coach youth football, and we usually make it to the playoffs, so we still play around late October. So I enjoy that very often.
Hey Rose, what's one of your favorite fall activities?
One of my favorite fall activities is field hockey. The grass is really green and it's just super nice weather. And I've played field hockey for a very long time and I just really enjoy it.
And for myself personally, I'm gonna have to agree with Caleb. I like spooky movies, and it's also football season. So with football season comes tailgating, and with spooky movies could come drive-in movie theaters. So with both of those, there's gonna be a few vehicle model options that Kia has that can make those experiences much more enjoyable. Here we have a full row of Tellurides, which at one point there was a huge shortage on these guys, but now we have a whole bunch in our lot. Here is a whole row of Sportages. This is part one of the Sportage row, and then part two. And then the next video, you're gonna see Sorrentos here. So we have abundance of all SUVs, and these are great because they're industry leader in cargo space. You're gonna have plenty of room for tailgating and driving movies. So if you guys would like to set up an appointment on any of those SUVs or any of the other Kia vehicles that we have on our lot, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, take care. Happy fall. We'll see you guys soon.